The future is here, and it's wearable. In today's video, we're diving into the top 10 best AI glasses of 2025, smart eyewear that's changing, the way we see the world, from real-time translation and health tracking to augmented reality overlays and virtual assistants that follow your voice. These glasses are smarter than ever. So get ready, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI glasses are truly worth your attention in 2025. Number 10, Rokid Max 2 is an impressive leap forward in the realm of augmented reality and smart glasses technology. Building upon its predecessor, the Rokid Max, this latest iteration brings a host of enhancements that make it a standout choice for both casual users and tech enthusiasts alike. First and foremost, the Rokid Max 2 boasts an upgraded display that delivers stunning visuals with vibrant colors and sharper resolutions, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and augmented reality applications. The advanced optics ensure that users can enjoy an immersive experience, whether they are watching a movie or interacting with AR content. Comfort has also been a key focus in the design of the Rokid Max 2. With a lightweight and ergonomic frame, these smart glasses can be worn for extended periods without discomfort. The adjustable nose pads and temple arms allow for a personalized fit, making them suitable for various face shapes and sizes. In terms of functionality, the Rokid Max 2 is equipped with enhanced processing power, allowing for smoother performance and quicker load times. Whether you're navigating through apps or engaging with complex AR environments, the device handles it all with ease. Additionally, it features intuitive controls, allowing users to interact with the device through voice commands and touch gestures. Battery life has also seen significant improvements, enabling users to enjoy longer sessions without the constant need for recharging. This is particularly beneficial for those who wish to use the Rokid Max 2 for extended periods, whether for work, entertainment, or social interactions. Number 9, Rayneo Air 2 is making waves in the world of smart glasses, and after extensive testing, it's clear why. With a sleek design that combines style and functionality, these glasses offer an impressive range of features that enhance the user experience without overwhelming them. One of the standout aspects of the Rayneo Air 2 is the exceptional display quality. The transparent screen provides vibrant colors and sharp images, making everything from navigation to notifications easy to read in various lighting conditions. Whether you're strolling through a bustling city or enjoying a quiet hike, the display remains clear and accessible. The hands-free operation is another significant advantage. With intuitive voice commands and seamless integration with your smartphone, you can easily access music, make calls, or get directions without fumbling for your device. This level of convenience is perfect for those who are always on the go, or prefer a more streamlined approach to technology. Battery life is crucial for any smart device. And the Rayneo Air 2 does not disappoint. With a robust battery that lasts throughout the day, you won't have to worry about constantly recharging, allowing you to focus on your activities instead of your power levels. Additionally, the comfort and fit of these glasses are commendable. They are lightweight and designed to be worn for extended periods, making them suitable for both casual wear and outdoor adventures. Whether birdwatching, hiking, or simply enjoying a day out, the Rayneo Air 2 stays comfortably in place. Number 8. Rokid AR Lite represents a significant leap in augmented reality technology designed to enhance both entertainment and productivity experiences. This lightweight headset, crafted for comfort and extended use, seamlessly merges the digital and physical worlds, allowing users to interact with virtual elements in real time. Equipped with advanced optical technology, the Rokid AR Lite delivers sharp and vibrant visuals, ensuring that the augmented content appears vivid and lifelike. The device incorporates intuitive controls, making it easy for users to navigate through applications and experiences with simple gestures or voice commands, thereby eliminating the need for cumbersome controllers. One of the standout features of the Rokid AR Lite is its versatile use cases. Whether you're watching immersive movies, collaborating on virtual projects, or gaming with friends, the headset adapts to various environments and user needs. With its robust battery life, users can enjoy extended sessions without the constant worry of recharging. Moreover, the Rokid AR Lite prioritizes user comfort with its ergonomic design, allowing for extended wear without discomfort. it is also compatible with a range of applications, making it a versatile tool for both casual users and professionals alike. In a rapidly evolving landscape of augmented reality devices, the Rokid AR Lite stands out, offering an accessible entry point for those eager to explore the potential of AR technology in their daily lives. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply curious about the future of augmented reality, the Rokid AR Lite promises to deliver an engaging and innovative experience. Number 7, Viture Luma Pro is an innovative addition to the world of portable gaming devices, and it's a game changer for both casual players and dedicated gamers. Designed with versatility in mind, this sleek handheld console brings a wealth of features that set it apart from the competition. One of the standout aspects of the Luma Pro is its impressive display. The vibrant screen delivers stunning visuals that immerse you in your favorite games. Whether you're exploring vast open worlds or engaging in fast-paced action, the graphics pop with clarity and color. The device also supports various resolutions, ensuring that you can enjoy games in their best quality. Performance-wise, the Luma Pro shines brightly. Powered by a robust processor, it runs games smoothly without lag, which is crucial for an uninterrupted gaming experience. Plus, with ample storage options, you won't have to worry about running out of space for your game library. The battery life is commendable as well, allowing for extended gaming sessions without frequent recharging. Another feature worth mentioning is the ergonomic design of the Luma Pro. It fits comfortably in your hands, making it easy to hold for long periods. The responsive controls enhance gameplay, allowing for precise movements and actions, which are essential in competitive gaming scenarios. Additionally, the Luma Pro supports a wide range of games, from indie titles to popular AAA releases. Its compatibility with various platforms means you can play your favorites wherever you are, whether at home or on the go. Number 6, X-Real One represents a significant leap forward in the realm of augmented reality, AR technology, blending sleek design with advanced functionality. Designed for both entertainment and productivity, these innovative glasses offer users an immersive experience that seamlessly integrates digital content into the real world. Equipped with high-definition displays and cutting-edge optics, the X-Real One allows users to enjoy vibrant visuals and crisp images, making everything from gaming to virtual meetings feel more engaging. The lightweight design ensures comfort during prolonged use, while the stylish aesthetic makes them suitable for everyday wear. One of the standout features of the X-Real One is its impressive field of view, which creates a more immersive AR experience. Users can interact with virtual objects in a way that feels natural and intuitive, enhancing both personal and professional applications. Whether you're navigating through complex data visualizations for work or enjoying an augmented reality game with friends, the X-Real One delivers a versatile experience. In addition to its visual prowess, the X-Real One offers robust connectivity options, allowing users to easily link the glasses with their smartphones, tablets, or computers. This means you can receive notifications, answer calls, and even access applications directly from the glasses, making it a powerful tool for multitasking. Battery life is another critical aspect where the X-Real One excels, providing users with extended usage on a single charge. This is particularly valuable for those who rely on AR for long periods, whether for work or leisure. Number 5, Solos Ergo 3 stands out as a remarkable innovation for cyclists and outdoor enthusiasts alike. After extensive testing on various terrains and conditions, I can confidently say that this smart eyewear is a game changer for those who crave an enhanced riding experience. The Solos Ergo 3 combines sleek design with cutting-edge features, including a bright heads-up display that provides real-time data without distracting from the ride. The augmented reality interface is intuitive, allowing you to access navigation, performance metrics, and even communication features seamlessly. Whether you're tackling steep hills or cruising on flat roads, the information is right before your eyes, promoting safety and convenience. One of the standout features is the audio functionality. The built-in bone conduction speakers deliver clear sound while allowing ambient noise to filter through, ensuring that you remain aware of your surroundings. This is particularly crucial when riding in traffic or on busy trails, as it strikes a perfect balance between connectivity and safety. The comfort and fit of the Solos Ergo 3 deserve a mention as well. The adjustable nose pads and lightweight frame make them a pleasure to wear for extended periods. Plus, the stylish design means they look great on and off the bike. Battery life is impressive, lasting through several rides before needing a recharge. Additionally, the durability of the lenses and frame makes them suitable for all weather conditions, so you can ride with confidence regardless of the elements. Number 4, X-Real Air 2 Pro represents a significant leap forward in the realm of augmented reality glasses, offering a blend of cutting-edge technology and sleek design. With its lightweight frame and comfortable fit, users can enjoy extended wear without the fatigue often associated with AR devices. Equipped with advanced optical displays, the X-Real Air 2 Pro provides stunning visuals that enhance the augmented reality experience, making digital content seem as though it exists in the real world. The glasses feature improved resolution and brightness, ensuring that even in bright environments, the display remains vivid and clear, allowing users to engage with their digital content seamlessly. The integration of high-fidelity audio technology further elevates the user experience, providing immersive sound that complements the visual elements. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or navigating through AR applications, the audio experience is designed to be both rich and engaging. Moreover, the X-Real Air 2 Pro boasts enhanced connectivity options, allowing for easy pairing with smartphones and other devices, facilitating smooth access to apps and media. With built-in sensors, the glasses can track head movements and gestures, making interactions intuitive and user-friendly. Battery life has also seen improvements, with a longer-lasting charge that supports extended usage without frequent recharging. This makes them ideal for users who are always on the go. Number 3, Oppo Air Glass 3 is a remarkable piece of technology that takes the concept of smart glasses to a whole new level. Designed with both style and functionality in mind, these glasses seamlessly integrate augmented reality, AR features into everyday life, making them a must-have for tech enthusiasts and casual users alike first and foremost. The design of the Oppo Air Glass 3 is sleek and lightweight, making them comfortable to wear for extended periods. The minimalistic aesthetic ensures that they can be worn as a stylish accessory while providing high-tech capabilities. The lenses are equipped with cutting-edge micro-LED displays that deliver crisp, vibrant visuals, allowing users to interact with notifications, navigation, and other applications directly in their line of sight. One of the standout features of the Air Glass 3 is its impressive AR functionality. With intuitive gesture, controls, and voice commands, users can easily access information without needing to pull out their smartphones. Whether you're navigating through a new city, checking messages on the go, or even translating text in real time, these glasses enhance the way you interact with the world around you. The battery life is another significant advantage. With efficient power management, the Air Glass 3 can last throughout the day with regular use. Additionally, the glasses are equipped with a robust set of sensors that enable them to adapt to various lighting conditions, ensuring a consistent experience regardless of your environment. Number 2, Rokid AR Joypack is a groundbreaking addition to the realm of augmented reality, designed to enhance user experiences across various applications, from gaming to education and beyond. This innovative product seamlessly integrates advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it an accessible option for both casual users and tech enthusiasts alike. At the core of the Rokid AR Joypack is its impressive hardware, which includes high-resolution displays that deliver stunning visuals and a wide field of view for an immersive experience. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, allowing users to fully engage with the augmented reality content without discomfort. One of the standout features of the Rokid AR Joypack is its ability to track motion with remarkable accuracy, providing a responsive and interactive experience. This is particularly beneficial in gaming scenarios where precise movements can enhance gameplay and strategy. Additionally, the Joypack supports a range of applications, from educational tools that help visualize complex concepts to creative platforms that enable users to design and manipulate 3D objects in real time. Moreover, the Rokid AR Joypack is equipped with intuitive controls, making it easy for users to navigate through menus and applications effortlessly. The built-in audio system ensures that sound complements the visual experience, further immersing users in their chosen activities. As a versatile tool, the Rokid AR Joypack is not only about entertainment, but also offers practical applications in various industries. For instance, in the field of architecture and design, professionals can use augmented reality to visualize projects and present ideas to clients more effectively. Number 1, Halliday AI smart glasses stand out as a remarkable innovation that marries style with functionality. After extensive testing and use in various environments, it's clear that these smart glasses are not just a novelty, they're a game changer. From the moment you put them on, the Halliday AI smart glasses impress with their sleek design and lightweight frame, making them comfortable for extended wear. The lenses are not only stylish, but also offer impressive clarity, ensuring that everything you see is sharp and vivid. What truly sets these smart glasses apart is their suite of AI-powered features. The built-in voice assistant is responsive and intuitive, allowing for hands-free control of your smart devices, navigation, and even calls. Whether you're out for a hike or navigating a busy city, having access to information without pulling out your phone is a significant advantage. The augmented reality capabilities enhance your experience, providing real-time information about your surroundings, which is particularly useful for outdoor enthusiasts and urban explorers alike. Battery life is commendable, lasting through a full day of use without needing a recharge. The smart glasses also come equipped with a durable design that is both water resistant and impact resistant, making them a reliable companion for any adventure. While the integration of technology is impressive, the Halliday AI smart glasses also prioritize user experience. The touch controls are smooth and responsive, and the overall interface is user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to adapt to these glasses.